School, the Honorable Mr. Abdul Aziz BAMAG as Director of Zainul Hasan University, the Honorable Ms. Raudatul Islam, MPD, as the Lecturer of Advanced Vocabulary. Let me introduce myself. My name is Siti Raini. I'm from English Department. And today, I want to interview some teacher in SMP Badri Duja Full Day School.
Good morning, Miss. Good morning. Before I start the interview, can you tell about yourself first?
Okay, well, introduce me. My name is Natala Felicia Ramadhani. You can call me Asfala. I come from Probolinggo, exactly in the city area, exactly in Tanigarang. I'm seventh semester already in Universitas Sriwijaya.
Thank you. Can I start the interview?
Of course.
For the first question, what is effective way or strategy used to teach vocabulary for your learners?
Oh, that's nice question, I think. Actually, I have faced them so many times about vocabulary for my students. I think difficulties or the way I make them to make understand more. I think first we should make a practice because why? If we just only give like learn what I mean, then we just explain it, but we don't try to make them to be active, to practice. I think that's they will be easier to forget about the vocabulary. So I think not only learn, but we should also make them to practice. In order why, when they are practicing their vocabulary, of course they will be easier to understand, to easy to remember. Yes.
Are you use the memories method?
Yes, sometimes I use memories methods, but while then I also try to make them practice because I think when they are only learn, they will be easier to forget the vocabulary. But if they are practicing in their daily activity, they will be seldom to speak. Of course, it makes them will not be forgettable easily.
Okay, thank you for your answer. And next question, what are the difficulties or problem in teaching vocabulary?
Problem. Every students I think have different problems from their itself. But in general, I try to make them, if the problem first, they are not seldom to speak English. What I mean, in their daily activity, they don't speak English. So when they are trying to speak English, it makes them difficult and confidentless. First, confidentless. Second, they are worried to speak because they learn the vocabulary. Why just now I try to make them practice? Because when they are practicing one by one, little by little, slowly, at least they will be often. Next, they will be will not. They are confident less, right? When they are trying every day, I think it will be increase.
So many students understand what people say, but when speak, their mouth doesn't cooperate.
Yes.
Okay. For the last question, what is the solving problem from the difficult of problem?
Because just now I mentioned that their problem in vocabulary first is confidence. I think I should make them one by one to come forward. Then they will practice. They will speak with the friends. Because if only material from me, I think they will not remember us always. But when they are practicing with their friends, they will also remember the dialogue, the vocabulary. Then they will be confident because they are speaking with their friends every day. She meet every day he meets. So I think it makes they will be more confidence.
Okay, thank you for your answer, Miss, and thank you for today. And yes, can I close the interview?
Yes, you will.
Okay, thank you very much, Miss.